미국은 세계의 대표적
The United States is where the representative of all the countries of the world come together and share ideas on what to do for humanity's future.
구상을 해야 되는 데가 미국이고 앞으로 미국의 사람들이 갈
In
때는
the future, only people who are needed by the United States should immigrate.
필요한 사람들이 미국에 들어가야 돼. 미국에 앞으로 기업인 또 많이
The United States will accept many business people, but should only accept those who will work and grow together to advance the United States' interest, not those who come to solely make money.
문은 열어주되
The United States will open the door to business people, but America should test them with what ideology they come.
미국의 대통령이라든지 정치인이라든지
You should write a proposal and submit it to the United States President or politicians so that Asians and everyone else do not enter the U.S. indiscriminately.
미국이 지금 성장한 이게서
The U.S. has grown to a certain level, and it is now time to work for the world and United States stability. So they should accept people and companies that will work towards this end. From now on, many companies should enter the United States. It is time for companies to enter because there are plenty of potential employees.
기업이 들어가서 우수한 활동하는데 우리가 필요한 사람.
These companies should recruit high-quality staff who can do high-quality work. The time for low-quality people to stow away in a boat to succeed in America is now over. Businessmen who have grown their world-class companies to a certain degree and who have made an effort should come to the great land of the United States and run their businesses. In the future, the USA should become the greatest country in the world, not a country of laborers. People from all over the world are gathered in the United States, so they should become model citizens of the world. They should gather their strength and help their motherland. America should operate with excellence. The United States can support people and companies by printing money. The US dollar is still the standard currency of the world, regardless of its debt, because it can keep printing money. The US can support the economy by printing money until essential companies stabilize. Thereafter, when high-quality income is generated, the debt can be paid off. If Korean money is printed excessively, it will lose its value. But Americans can keep printing dollars and it still holds its value. The power of the dollar hasn't ended in the world yet. The United States still has that much power. If business people with the right intention enter the United States, they will become stars there. We grew up in Korea and must go to the United States to do our work. We cannot achieve great things on this small peninsula. That's why people keep going abroad. You can use the United States as a stage and spread out to the world. Although these things are happening now, no one can design such a project. As business people move to the United States, they need to study the United States and enter with a well-thought-out plan. When they join forces and enter the USA, their power can come alive and blossom. If they just go to that vast land separately, here and there, it will be tough to endure it. I will design the plan for them. The greatest land in the United States waiting for us is Detroit. All of our companies must join forces to save Detroit.
USA의 대한민국
USA,
그걸
대한민국.
자치구로 만들어가지고
대한민국 can revive Detroit by establishing it as a special autonomous
미국의
region.
기업의 심장을
We will
만들어내겠다.
make Detroit the heart of corporations in the United States. Our business people should join forces there and start high-tech industries.
그 땅을 남겨둔 데가
Detroit is land set aside, waiting for 대한민국.
알아야지. 그림을
We need to see the big picture of the
그
world.
디트로이트는 대한민국이
Only
들어야만
대한민국 can revive Detroit.
지금 죽어가 있지만
It's almost dead now, but that is the perfect place to become the heart of America.
심장이 될 수 있는 대한민국이 그 정도는 일을 해줘야
대한민국 should do that much at a minimum to repay the debt of gratitude to the United States and the world for supporting us to regain our strength.
디트로이트에서부터 세계로
We must prepare to do our work, starting with Detroit and spreading to the world.
대한민국이 안 들어가면 누구도 건들
No one can revive that area except 대한민국.
앞으로 좋은 설계를 해가 움직이게
In the future, I will make a good plan and begin the process.
멸시를 받는 것은
The reason why Asians are despised right now is that we are not doing what we should. Asian hatred is occurring now because we are not respected.
너나 먹고 살라고
Why
하지.
do they
너는
hate
어떻게
Asians?
받아쓰라는 거야.
Asians only try to live well by themselves. Did they try to look out for the well-being of others? People don't know exactly why, but it happens because of these energy dynamics. If Asians make an effort to do something for the United States, which has given them an opportunity, and design a project for the future, and when this news spreads out to the mass media, Westerners will like Asians the most. There is always a reason why you suffer, so you must figure out why.
이 지구촌은 고목나무 한 그루예요.
We can compare the world to an old tree.
이 나무가지가 활동할 때가 있고
There are
나무
times
몸통이
when the
활동할 때가
branches
있고,
are
뿌리가
active,
활동할 때가 있는 것이.
when the tree trunk is active, and when the roots are active.
그쪽에 미국에 들어가서 뿌리가 할 일을 해서
Now
그쪽에
it's time for the trunk to
식물
work in the
속에
United States. The roots have to do their part and give nutrition to the trunk and the leaves. These things are happening because the roots are sleeping. Why are Koreans attacked the most among Asians? It's happening now because you're not doing what you must.
우리 대한민국 사람이
If Koreans become model citizens by taking the lead and doing their duty for the United States,
동양인을
then you
보호할
can protect all Asians.
힘이 조금 들겠지만
It will take great effort, but you must do this by enduring such contempt during this 3-year COVID-19 pandemic.
하나하나 미국에서
Find your duty in the United States step by step.
그런 할 일을
You should do
하면서
something
동양인을 다시
grand
찾아오게끔
to
하는
have them view Asians anew.
그런 작업을 지금 해야 돼. 너무 늦었어.
It's too late, but still, you must do it now. This is your last chance. You should not miss this opportunity. We had 2 chances before, but we missed them.
했기 때문에 이제
So
마지막
this
기회가
is the last chance for us.
빠른 시간에
Surely, an outstanding result will come about.
노력합시다.
Let's try our best.